So I was measuring my nose because, I'm kind of self-conscious about how big it is. And I realized if it's 12 inches, that's a foot. Hey, how's it going? This is Martin Ross, and today we're going to break down Jack Harlow's Lovin' on Me, with sample from Cadillac Dale's whatever bass soliloquy, I believe it is. So help me out here, help me grow my channel by liking the video, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, please hit the subscribe button, click the bell, so that way as soon as I upload, it goes straight to your device. It tells you, hey, he's uploaded. Most important, share. Help me grow my channel. Help me grow my channel. Click that share button. Also, last but never the least, my sound library source. If you like any of these sounds that I'm playing, check out the links in the description. Source has all those sounds that I'm doing for this song as well. Without further ado, let's break it down. All right, so today we're going to be breaking down Jack Harlow's Lovin' on Me. I'm at 105 beats per minute. The first thing I'll attack right now is the original file of the song. It comes from whatever bass soliloquy, and this is what it sounds like before I edit it.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me, baby.
All right, so once I've processed the vocal and I've pitched it up too, I'm just hit that loop. Let's hear what it sounds like by itself.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me, baby.
Okay, so for the bass part, the bass is super basic. Keep saying that word, jeez. Anyway, so for the bass part, the bass is very easy. The notes are going to be a B flat, F, C, then C, B flat, then you're going to A flat, back to D flat. So let me play that back for you. And on that bass, for the hook, I'm just dragging out the last note, make it longer. All right, so onto the drums. I'm actually just going to loop it, play it back, and you'll hear it. So first, the shakers, and then I got a low-pass filtered rim shot, kind of fill the background. I got that hi-hat. And then the hi-hats on every upbeat. I got my clap. We got the secondary snares, again on the upbeat. Then I did some filler hi-hats. And now, last but not least, the kick. Now it should make the sample feel more like a loop here. Now we're back in sync. I don't know if you guys noticed it, but it changed sync as we looped. That's pretty cool. All right, everyone, there you have it. Put it together, and let's hear what it sounds like.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on
Bring everything in
me,
now.
baby. I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down, but you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me.
And now I'm just gonna extend that bass.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down.
That last note, just pull it through. And here's the part of the song with just the drums. Alright, play it out. Alright, and there you have it. We broke down Jack Harlow's Lovin' on Me, which is sampled by Cadillac Dave, whatever, bass soliloquy. Just to let you know, making videos like this, they say, oh, you don't make new videos. Well, I make new videos. It's a brand new song, while it's out, and I get hit with immediate copyright stuff. So that's why I typically focus on the older songs, but it was a challenge. Someone said that, he wants to see newer music. Well, this is as new as I can get it. That I can hear everywhere on the internet. But if you like these samples, I actually have them in the Sound Library source. Check it out, links in the description. Also, please, again, I don't make money off these videos, and it's really hard to keep, to keep it going when, you hit financial hurdles. So again, if you want to help me out, check out the links in the description. Another way you can help me out is hit the like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, subscribe, click the bells, that way you get alerts straight to your device. Most important, share the video. Someone that may like it. Once again, it's Martin Ross breaking down Jack Harlow's Lovin' on Me. Yeah, y'all take it easy.
I don't like no whips and chains, and you can't tie me down. But you can whip your lovin' on me, baby. Whip your lovin' on me, baby. I don't like no whips and chains, and you